I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
I just want to be one of you guys.
I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can't be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go the distance and be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though that road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow